Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this series we are going to be developing a Flutter e-commerce app series. So we are going to develop two mobile applications. The first application will be a customer's mobile application. In the customer's mobile application, what we'll be expecting is we are expecting the application to display product listings such as medicine, cosmetics, make orders, to allow the customers to make the orders via the customers application, add products to favorites, and also add products to cart. And then we're also expecting the customer to make payments, so we'll be integrating payment system like PayPal, uh, or they can choose the option for cash, or they are going to use MasterCard. And then the second mobile application that we are going to look at is going to be the farmers mobile application. On this mobile application, will allow the farmers administrator to add products, add categories, and also to manage orders. And also, if there is time, we'll also build a web application for the pharmacy, for the pharmacy to manage the orders. So the tech stacks that we are going to be using Firebase for authentication. We are going to use Firebase database, Firebase Firestore, Firebase storage, and then maybe we'll use real-time database if we are going to implement a chat system whereby the customer may want to interact with the pharmacy, right? And then we are going to use Riverpod for state management. We are going to use Riverpod for state management, and then we are going to use Google Maps to get the customer's exact location, and also to get maybe the farmer's location. And then other thing we are going to use Google Places autocomplete API. This API allows you will automatically complete the address of the user if they are typing in their address. So these are the tech stacks that we are going to be using. So this series is going to be entirely in Flutter. So the prerequisites for this series is going to be make sure that you are familiar with Dart, and you have I don't expect you to have some knowledge in Flutter, but we'll walk through everything with you. But I expect you to have at least some knowledge in Dart or object-oriented programming like Java and stuff. And that if you know Java, then you might want to also know functional programming. Be familiar with functional programming. So that's basically it, guys. This is going to be an exciting series, and I hope we'll be able to get out of our comfort zone. Thank you very much, guys. So if you have any suggestions, just put them in the description link below. Cheers.